Have you ever bought crypto at the top and watched it crash? Today, I'm showing you how Glider helps you manage risk, automate your portfolio, and make smarter decisions without staring at charts all day. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So head to your browser and type in Glider.fi, Glider.fi. Sign up by either connecting an EVM wallet or a valid phone number. You'll have an interface like this. Once you're done, click Go to App. Then click the icon at the top right of your screen. We could see my portfolios, explore, restart onboarding. Okay, my portfolios show your personal investments. Let's click it. So you could see we don't have available funds. Okay, you just click deposit any token by getting a deposit address below. Okay, let's close and head to explore. Let's click explore. So guys, the explore feature helps you discover and copy strategies, while the restart onboarding is for, resetting your Glider setup experience. I know you're already wondering how one can automate and create a portfolio. Okay, don't worry, I've got you covered. So once you click explore, we have a list of pre-built portfolios, and if for instance you wish to copy this DeFi token mix, right here you could see it right here. Just click it and tap use this portfolio at the bottom. Okay guys, and create sign for free. So portfolio created, you've copied the DeFi token mix. Okay, let's click deposit for now. So let's head back, scatter portfolio, start gliding. So we've already copied the DeFi token mix. You could see that its next rebalance is in 26 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay, so what rebalancing means is adjusting your investments back to the original price when prices change, because in crypto prices move every single day and your percentages easily go out of balance. And if you want to create your own portfolio, your own personal one, that's without copying any other portfolio, you just click restart onboarding right here. Click restart onboarding, then click on create your account, then scroll down and click create my own portfolio. Click skip let's glide, then create your own portfolio according to your preferences by choosing your preferred assets, guys. And that's it on how to automate your portfolio with Glider. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next video.